Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky, Bex, however you want to call me. So in today's video, I've created this, I don't know how to describe it really, this sort of cut crease glitter line eye. I wanted to do something creative for the start of the new year. If you guys are going to enjoy this little tutorial, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description bar below. So if you want to see how I created it, just keep watching. I'm going to be going with the NYX Unlimited Edit palette in warm neutrals, taking the darkest brown colour in the palette. I'm going to be using a very small pencil brush. This is just by Eco Tools, and I'm just going to be roughly doing the shape of the wing. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just going to make sure it's proper thick and proper filled in and just roughly drawn out to the shape that I roughly want it to be. Once I'm happy with the line shape, I'm then going to start bringing the eyeshadow down to my lid to fully create the wing. Once I've done that, I'm now just going to grab my concealer. This is just a very old discontinued concealer by Essence. I'm going to be applying this concealer on the back of my hand, grabbing an angled brush. So this is just a brow brush from Real Techniques, just any angle brush will do. I'm then going to start carving inside the eye, so just carving around that brown eyeshadow and start bringing it up to the wing liner so we can start making a bit more space for those arrows to go in and that glitter, as well as creating that wing shape. I'm going to now grab the very light colour in the palette, and I'm just grabbing this old Milani brush. I'm just going on top of that darker brown colour, so we're just softening out the lines a little bit. If it does go inside the eye, I'm not too worried because I'm just going to go back in with my concealer and I will just go inside and sharpen it back up again. I'm just going to be adding the dark colour, adding the light colour, adding and blending until I get the two colours blended how I like them to be. I'm going to be using those two matte colours, so the matte rusty red colour and the rusty orange colour. Going in, we're using two brushes. I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics brush and I'm using the Real Techniques fine liner brush. Grabbing those two colours and I'm just going to start doing the detail in my cut crease. So I'm going to start making those lines. And any mistakes, I'm just going to be going over with a bit more of concealer with that same angle brush just to sharpen them out a bit. I'm taking the small brush I used to create that wing, going back in with that same dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be adding this on my lid just to bring the wing together and just add a little bit of smoky on the lid. And now I'm going to be filling in the gaps with two glitters. I'm going to be using the liquid eyeliner by Rimmel London. It's called the Wonder Swipe 2-in-1 liquid to eyeshadow eyeliner in Mega Hottie. And I'm going to go on top with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in Junk Show. Fill in the gaps first with the Rimmel London eyeliner, wait for that to dry, and then going with the Urban Decay one on top. So it adds that pink, sparkly look. I'm now going to be smoking my upper lash line and lower lash line. Just going to take in the Miss Sporty 100% Rock Pump Up Booster Kohl eyeliner. Just going to apply that in the waterline and underneath the lashes. Now I'm going to smoke my bottom lash line. I'm going to take the both shimmery colours. So I'm going to grab two brushes. Got Real Techniques shading brush, and I've also got a Superdrug Studio brush. Going to grab both those colours, so I'm going to grab the rusty shimmery red first, going to apply that underneath, then I'm going to go on top of that with that brown bronzy shimmery colour. Now this is optional, you don't have to add this if you don't want to, but I fancy adding a bit of glitter underneath my eye. So this is the Give Face Cosmetics loose glitter, and this is in the shade Bourjois Theatrical. This glitter is not eye safe. Do not place this on the eye. Do not place this anywhere near the eye, as this will irritate and cut your eye. So please be very careful with glitter like this. But I'm placing this just underneath my lash line. I'm not bringing this any higher. I'm just placing it literally near the lashes as possible, but not too close to the eye. I use the Kiko Ocean Feel highlighter in Golden Vibes. I just add that in the inner corner and on the brow bone. What I used to stick the glitter on was the Barry M glitter glue. I used that to stick the glitter on. So that is it, guys. This is the completed look. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. This look was so much fun to do. I don't know, it was just creative, something a little bit different, something funky. If you guys really have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description bar below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Hope you guys are having a great start to the new year, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.